Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on control structures in JavaScript. In this video, we'll cover the three fundamental control structures in the JavaScript programming language: if-else statements, for loops, and while loops. First, let's talk about if-else statements. An if-else statement allows you to execute different code depending on whether a certain condition is true or false. Here's an example of an if-else statement. In this example, if the value of x is greater than 0, the program will print x is greater than 0 to the console. Otherwise, it will print x is not greater than 0. Next, let's talk about for loops. A for loop allows you to execute a block of code a certain number of times. Here's an example of a for loop. In this example, the loop will iterate 5 times, and on each iteration, it will print the current value of I to the console. Finally, let's talk about while loops. A while loop allows you to execute a block of code as long as a certain condition is true. In this example, the loop will execute as long as x is greater than 0. On each iteration, it will print the current value of x to the console, and then decrement the value of x by 1. That's a brief overview of the three fundamental control structures in JavaScript: if-else statements, for loops, and while loops. These structures allow you to control the flow of your code, making your programs more powerful and flexible. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below.